Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can change your Chrome homepage. Let's begin. First, open Chrome, then I want you to click on here, three dots, hover down, click on settings. On the left panel, I want you to look for appearance, this one, right? Then show home button. By default, this will be disabled. Click on it. Then you will have the option to click on new tab page or enter your own custom web address. All right. For example, I'm just going to put it here youtube.com. It could be anything. All right. And then hit enter. Then you are done. Another way is, let's say, for example, whenever you open Chrome, you would like to land on the same specific website. I want you to click over here on Startup, then click on open a specific page or set of pages. Add a new page. Then I'm going to put it here, youtube.com. Click add. And basically, you are done. Whenever you open up Chrome, this will automatically pop up on your tab. As long as you will do this here on Startup and also on the appearance, the show home button. And that's it. You can now change it anytime you want if your preferences changes. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.